Lace closure sizes for every style. What you need to know. Choosing the right lace closure size is not just about picking a number. It's about finding the perfect balance between coverage, styling freedom, and the level of naturalness you want your look to appear. Each size offers its own advantages, from creating simple everyday styles to achieving a flawless, versatile finish that feels just like your own hair. By understanding how different lace closure sizes work, you'll be able to select the one that truly complements your hairstyle goals and lifestyle. https://lace-closure-sizes-for-every-style-need-to-know/ #lace closure sizes number 5x5 lace closure number 6x6 lace closure number 7x7 lace closure #lace closure #TonOnHair